Now I'll show you the truth table of NOT gate, which looks something like here. Let me get my notebook. So if say so now I'll give you the symbol of NOT gate, which looks something like this. So this is our NOT gate, and the truth table for NOT gate is something like this. So we have these sets of input values and sets of output values. A is our input and Y is our output. This is A, this is Y, and Y is equal to A bar, which is the NOT or the opposite of the A. So if you give 0, you'll get 1. If you give 1, you get 0. Okay, let me give you, I actually built it already, so I'll just continue doing so, explaining it from there. So this was the NOT gate. Let me build it again for you. So we have our transistor here. This is our NPN BJT transistor. Now we will have a button, a switch, which will be here, so we can tweak it, which will be connected through in series with the resistor with some value. We don't need we don't need to look at what the value of resistor is, because we're not doing any electrical engineering stuff. And these two terminal, the collector, this is base, this is collector, this is emitter, and are connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The negative, emitter is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and then again we will connect the LED in parallel with our collector and emitter terminal. So what will happen, that when we press this key, this transistor will turn off, so there will be no potential difference against this against the terminal of this LED, across the terminal of this LED. So it will turn off, and when we take our hands off from the switch, it will be open, so there will be a potential difference across the terminal of LED. This is the diagram, and let me quickly build it on the breadboard. So here's our breadboard, here's our transistor. In the transistor, this one, the leftmost one, is the emitter, the middle one is the base, and the last one is the collector. So I put it on my breadboard. Okay, then where's my LED? Okay, I lost it. Okay, I have problem with my LED. Let me get my LED and wires. Give me a second. My LED. There's the LED. So there's the LED. I'll connect it across the collector and emitter. Okay, now it's in right bias. Here's our resistor. So here is our resistor, and I will just make it terminal in different configuration so we can see it very well. The resistor is connected to the base, and in series with a switch. So there's a switch. Here's our switch. Now these two, well, you may not able to look very clearly, but the diagram is very well according to the schematic I have given. I have drawn on the copy. Here's my circuit and here's my battery. So let me connect it and I'll show you how it works. Negative one goes to the emitter, the negative one goes to our emitter, and the positive one goes to circuit according to our schematic. Is there, as you can see, the LED is turned on, and okay, let me just give it. Okay, so this is a button. When I push button, it turns off. When I take it my hands off, it turns on again. So it is behaving against the behavior of the button. So this is our NOT gate. When the switch is closed, the LED does not turns on. When the switch is set open, the LED turns on. So this is our NOT gate. Okay, have a look at it. All right.